Hi everyone, myself Shivam God. I am from Rajasthan and I like to play basketball. I joined Golden Affiliates on July 2023. I am preparing for Indigo Cadet Pilot Program for NZICP. Golden Affiliates is very nice institute for Cadet Pilot Program as well as for ground classes. Faculties are Diamonds of India. I like to thank Prem sir, Rohan sir, Rohit sir, Devar sir, Abdesh sir for helping me to achieve my dream to become a pilot. My experience on A320 simulator is fantastic because it's once in a lifetime experience. I can say Golden Epaulettes is one institute in India which can only provide a simulator for free without any cost for cadets.